Hi guys, Amy here with another quick tutorial on viewing those interim assessments. Okay, so there's once again a couple of different places where you can access them. You can go to the CAASPP.org website and you click on Smarter Balanced Interim Assessments, and then you'll click on the Interim Assessment Viewing System tab. Or, once again, you can go to polyhigh.org, scroll down to underneath the pictures, click Assessments, and click Faculty. Under those quick links, you've once again got a View an Assessment link. You click on that, it will take you to the sign-in sheet. This looks just like the other portals, but even though the door looks alike, they lead to different places. So you want to make sure that when you're choosing, where you're going, that you've made the right choice. Okay, so we're going to sign in. And not sure about that pop-up blocker. Yep, looks like it's going to come up for us. And pop-up blocked, hit allow and done, and then hit try again. At this point, you'll select whatever grade of the assessment that you're wanting to view. I know that our 9th grade this fall is doing the 8th grade research, so I'm going to click that 8th grade and hit the research button. And then you'll go through the motions. You will now be able to see it as a student. You'll be able to see the assessment as a student. All right, once you've gone through the questions, they will not give you the answer, but that is how you log into the system. And that'll do it. Thanks.